Okay, this is a quick first look at a Vectornav VN-100. I just received the developer's kit in the mail this week, and this is the developer's board. The actual VN-100 is that 1-inch square chip in the middle of the board, and it's calculating its attitude and heading relative to the Earth 200 times a second in that chip. And we're sending the data out of the chip through the USB cable into the software that came with it, and it is using the data that's reading from the board to plot this data for us. So here we've got the yaw, pitch, and roll of the board that's being calculated. Again, that's being calculated on the board, not on this laptop. And in addition to that, we have these gyros. So we're getting radians per second there as far as our rates. Then we've got the accelerations in each direction, x, y, and z, in meters per second squared. And I can just load it in one channel there. Hopefully the blue channel is the vertical channel for right now. And then we also have the output from the magnetometers in x, y, and z. I've got the output display frequency set at 100 Hertz, so it should be tracking pretty accurately between the graphics and the board. And you can see things are going pretty well. Still have a little bit to learn about the software, how to calibrate things. Since this kind of board uses the Earth's magnetic field as a stable reference vector for its calculations, you do have to be careful of where you place them, and you'll notice that as I move the board close to the bezel of this laptop, it starts calculating unrealistic orientations of the board because there's a magnetic field there that's affecting the magnetometers, and that's throwing off the calculations. So watch out for static magnetic fields around the magnetometers. If you have to mount it somewhere where those are a problem, then there are some calibration procedures that should be able to remove those. So that's the board.